What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jonathan with the rideshare panel, and I'm out here today just finishing up an Amazon Flex restaurant block, but I'm taking some time to make a very important video. I'm especially excited about this video because I've been doing Amazon Flex a lot lately, and I've been trying real hard to get blocks. Like, it's crazy out there, swiping, everyone's swiping, competing against each other, and it's near impossible to get a good block. So I've tried some different tactics. I tried doing some thumb workouts, seeing if I could get my click speed up faster. It did not help at all. I'm out here competing against bots, and I'm scared to get deactivated. I'm scared to use my own bot. So I did some research, and I found a way that you can create basically what amounts to a bot on your iPhone using the settings already built into your phone. And you can do this in a few simple steps and start automating your block selection on your phone. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to pull up the Amazon Flex app and I'm going to show you guys how it works when a block pops up, and how I just triple tap that home screen and I start using the auto switch to literally tap these blocks and select them hands-free. So as you can see, the switch control is automatically swiping on these blocks for me and selecting the blocks. It makes this super easy, and it makes me a lot more competitive against these other bots. So full disclosure, this could get you deactivated by Amazon Flex, but from what I've heard doing the research is a lot of times what they end up catching you on is if you're using a third-party app to log in using your credentials, and that's strictly against the terms of service. It's also against their terms of service to use bots, but I mean, here's the way that I justify it. I am using the settings on my iPhone that are built for people that are impaired and handicapped. Personally, I have very bad vision. I'm almost legally blind, and I have carpal tunnel syndrome in my right hand. So excessive swiping is bad for both my eyes and my carpal tunnel syndrome. I need this bot to select blocks for me. I'm at a disadvantage here, and Amazon, I would put up quite the fight if they deactivated me for being handicapped. So I need this bot. I feel like there's a lot of other people out there that are in a similar situation to me that have certain disabilities and need this just to get through life, to get their blocks and to, pick up those earnings. So with that said, do this at your own risk. If you didn't hear it from me, if you get deactivated, it is not my fault whatsoever. Most likely you'll probably just get a 1-week timeout or something if you do get caught at all for it. I've used it a few times on my Amazon Flex to pick up blocks, and I haven't had any issues, but I haven't been using it for months, so no guarantees towards the longevity of this. So let's go ahead and hop in here, and I'm going to show you guys the exact setup to go ahead and do this on your iPhone. All right, so inside of your iPhone, I want you to go to Settings, then hit General and go to Accessibility, and I want you to scroll down to the bottom of Accessibility and go to Accessibility Shortcut and set that to Switch Control. All right, now I want you to go back to the Accessibility submenu. I want you to hit Switch Control, then go to Recipes and hit Create New Recipe. Now I want you to name that recipe, and then below that hit Assign a Switch. You're gonna hit Full Screen and then scroll down to Custom Gestures. Now you'll be able to create your custom gesture. So I want you to hit Hide Controls, and then I want you to record the sequence that you're gonna use to pick up blocks on Amazon Flex. So what I want you to do is hit down by where the refresh button would be on your screen, and then go up and tap on where the blocks would show up, and then I want you to swipe across the screen back down below where you would request to get that block on the Amazon Flex app. Now you should have a total of 10 seconds here to record this sequence, so I want you to repeat it as many times as you can in that 10 seconds. Now I want you to hit Save in the top right hand corner of your screen, and once you've saved that, you can go back to the Recipes submenu, and at the bottom of that you're going to see an area where it says Launch Recipe. Click on that and make sure that you have your selected recipe on. Now you should be able to launch this new command anytime you turn Switch Control on your phone. So the default for turning this on should be clicking the home button 3 times. If that's not already set up, you can also set that up in the settings section. As you can see, this is a very efficient way to get blocks, but a lot of times what you're going to need to do when you're in the Amazon Flex app is just click repeatedly in order to make it go multiple times, and then once you've hit it a bunch of times, it'll kind of just start going on its own and selecting blocks. Alright, I hope that helps you guys out and it helps you get more Amazon Flex blocks. Now, if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below, and I'm going to do my best to help you guys out. Also, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel down below, because I'm going to be dropping tons of great advice like this for Flex drivers, tons of other rideshare advice, and lots of side hustles that can make you more money. So make sure you subscribe down below and don't miss out.